We begin the video with one of my most favorite German car and motorbike manufacturer BMW. In German, BMW stands for Bayerische Motorenwerke, which in turn translates into Bavarian Motor Works, as it's from Bavarian, Germany. And of course, the acronym BMW is not pronounced the same in German. They actually say BMW. So hereafter, if you hear BMW, don't be astonished, cause now you know it. Probably this brand car would be the first in my dream car list. This brand is the most famous of all German sports car manufacturer brand. It's Porsche. Yes, Porsche. But actually in German, it's Porsche. Porsche. So simple, right? So don't get confused because now we know it. It's easy to spot this brand in our day-to-day life. But are you pronouncing it correctly? Most commonly and by mistakenly, some people say it as Volkswagen. But in English, it is rightly pronounced as Volkswagen. Yes, it's Volkswagen. But what in German? In German, it is said as Volkswagen. So hereafter when you hear it, don't get amazed, because now you know it. The calm-looking luxury beast from Germany, which belongs to Volkswagen Group, would easily grasp any eyes. You would have heard it from ad and amazed the way it's pronounced. But yes, in German it is pronounced Audi. Yes, it's Audi. Anyway, it's a Latin word. So when you hear it again, don't get amazed, cause now you know it. Now, this is the first American car brand in a row. It's got its name from famed Swiss race car driver Louis Chevrolet. Chevrolet, yeah, but Chevrolet is famously and colloquially referred to as Chevy. So Chevrolet and Chevy both are same. So don't get puzzled, cause now we know it. Huge is always awesome. It's a huge and beautiful truck. Again, a car from the most famous German manufacturer, Volkswagen, and this car was affectionately known as Bug. Sounds odd, right? But the name itself represents an insect. It's Volkswagen Beetle, the most compact and economic car from Volkswagen. Now we are going to see one of its kind car from an American brand scale die-cast toy car manufacturer Hot Wheels. Unlike other cars, Hot Wheels are strong, well-built and super fast. In fact, many automobile manufacturers have licensed Hot Wheels to make scale models of their cars, and Hot Wheels even creates and manufactures their own design die-cast cars. This off-roader is one among them.